If you're looking to create professional screen recordings on your Mac, you might have heard of Screen Studio and ScreenFlow, two very popular apps. In this video, we're going to compare the two, discussing the features and the use cases in which each of them shines. Screen Studio's interface is more modern and easier to understand than ScreenFlow's, which might make it a better choice for beginners. Unlike tools like Loom, both Screen Studio and ScreenFlow record your camera and screen on separate tracks, which provides great flexibility during editing. Both include a built-in video editor, although ScreenFlow's is a lot more powerful as it allows you to add text, annotation, medias, and much more, all of which is not currently possible in Screen Studio. ScreenFlow allows you to record multiple clips and combine them into a single video, something that is not currently possible in Screen Studio. This makes it more suited for long-form content like tutorials and video courses. Both support zoom-in effects and motion blur, although Screen Studio is famous for its cinematic zoom-in effects, which are not easily achievable in ScreenFlow. The basic version of ScreenFlow comes as a one-time purchase at $179 versus Screen Studio, which either comes as a one-time purchase at $229, so slightly more expensive, or as a subscription for $9 per month. The latest version of Screen Studio also comes with a sharing feature like Loom that allows you to basically publish your video and get a link that you can send to other people. The more expensive ScreenFlow packages also come with a stock media library that you can use to enrich your videos. Both allow you to add subtitles to your videos, but Screen Studio is the only one that automatically generates them for you using AI. With ScreenFlow, you need to manually add them to your video. When it comes to stability, it seems that Screen Studio is not as good as ScreenFlow, with multiple users reporting losing their recordings over longer sessions. If you're trying to use Screen Studio and ScreenFlow to create educational content like tutorials and video courses, then I don't think that either of the two is the best choice. My favorite tool to create educational content is called Burumi. With Burumi, you can decide the structure of your video in the built-in editor, which is very similar to Notion and Google Docs. Then you can record every scene separately, retrying as many times as you want. This is very convenient because it allows you to split the recording into smaller chunks, which are much easier to manage. And finally, you can edit the video in the built-in editor. Here you can trim the clips, select nice-looking layouts, remove the noise, and much more. And finally, you can export your video, ready to be published to your platform of choice. You can get access to Burumi by visiting burumi.com.